Hello and welcome back. So in this video, we're going to be dealing with negative numbers. So the objective here is to work confidently with negative numbers, including ordering, adding and subtracting. So the key idea, if I have two pluses, that makes a plus. If I have a plus and a minus next to each other, that makes a minus. If I have a minus and a plus next to each other, that also makes a minus. And two minuses make a plus. So we need to remember these rules in order to answer these questions. Here's an example. So we need to order the following numbers from smallest to biggest. So the smallest number is going to be the number that's furthest away from 0. If you imagine a number line goes 0, 1, 2, 3. And then before 0 goes -1, -2, -3, -4. So the one that's furthest away from 0 is going to be -7. So -7 in this case is the smallest. Followed by -3, because that's the next furthest away from 0, followed by -1, and then followed by 2. So 2 is the biggest number here. So this next one, the one that's going to be furthest away from 0, i.e. the number that's the most negative, is going to be -160. And then the next most negative is -120, followed by -101, followed by -100. So this is this list of numbers from smallest to biggest. Here's another example. So this time we are adding and subtracting negative numbers. So the first one we have 5 plus -2. So a plus and a minus next to each other, that makes a minus. So here we were actually doing 5 minus 2, and 5 take away 2, that's 3. This one here, when we have a minus and a minus next to each other, that makes a plus, and 6 plus 4 makes 10. So this question, the answer is 10. This one here, we have a plus and a minus, so that makes a minus. So we're actually doing -2 minus 9. So -2 minus 9, we're getting further away from 0. So that's going to end up as -11, because 9 less than -2 is -11. This next one here, we're going to have a minus and a minus, so that's going to make a plus. So we end up with -3 plus 6, so that's going to get closer towards 0. So -3 plus 6, that's going to be 3, and that's the answer to that question. So here are some quick fire practice questions on this topic. Pause the video, have a go at these, and I'll reveal the answers in a moment. Okay, so well done if you managed to have a go at those. So here are the answers, and that's everything for this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye!